Your Bluetooth headphones work perfectly on Windows 10. Now on Windows 11, they won't connect, sound terrible, or keep disconnecting. You're not imagining it. Windows 11 changed how Bluetooth works, and it broke things for millions of users. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. First, try the fastest fix. Turn off Bluetooth completely in your settings. Wait 10 seconds, turn it back on. Try connecting your headphones. If they still won't connect, remove them from your paired devices and pair them fresh. Put your headphones in pairing mode, usually by holding the power button until you see a flashing light, then add them as a new device. This works for about half of people. If you're still having problems, here's what's actually going on. Windows 11 has two issues that cause most Bluetooth headphone failures. The first is that the Bluetooth support service isn't configured correctly. This service manages all Bluetooth connections, and if it stops running, nothing works. The second is that Windows 11's power management is too aggressive. It turns off your Bluetooth adapter to save battery, even when you're actively using headphones. Let's fix both. Press Windows key plus R. Type Services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find Bluetooth support service. Double-click it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click the Recovery tab. Change all three failure options, first failure, second failure, subsequent failures, to restart the service. Click Apply, then OK. Right-click the service and select Restart. Next, fix the power management issue. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and select Properties. Click the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Do the same for your Wi-Fi adapter. Expand Network Adapters, find your Wi-Fi device, open Properties, Power Management, and uncheck the power saving option. Restart your computer. If your headphones connect but sound bad, muffled, or low quality, Windows is using the wrong audio profile. Click the speaker icon in your taskbar. Click the arrow next to volume. Make sure your headphones are selected, specifically the stereo option, not hands-free. For better results, open Bluetooth settings, click on your headphones, and turn off hands-free telephony if you don't need it for calls. These fixes solve Bluetooth headphone problems for the vast majority of Windows 11 users. If you're still having trouble, check the links in the description for more detailed guides and live support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides.